Hello and welcome to Vision Academy. My name is Hanmant Ladwa and in this video we are going to write a C program to demonstrate size of operator. So let us write hash include in angular braces standard input output .h header file. The next preprocessor directive is hash include console input output .h header file in a angular braces. Now I'll write void main function curly open brace, and here I'm going to write clear screen function which clears the previous output. Next I'm going to write printf statement, and inside this I'm going to write in a double quotation mark integer takes how many bytes. So here I'm going to write %d bytes, and here I'm going to write /n in the double quotation mark and put comma, and then you can use the size of operator, and inside this I'm going to pass the basic data type integer and then one more closing brace and put semicolon. So in the same way we are going to use this particular statement for float, char and double type of data. So let us write printf, and in a double quotation mark I'm going to write floating point takes %d bytes /n, and the double quotation mark again use size of operator, and then inside the round bracket we need to pass the float data type, close the bracket and put semicolon. So similarly once again I'm going to write printf, in a double quotation mark I'll write character takes %d bytes /n and the double quotation mark comma size of operator, and here I'm going to pass char data type, close the bracket and put semicolon. Next data type is printf. In the double quotation mark I'm going to write double takes %d bytes /n and the double quotation mark, and then we'll use size of operator, and now we are going to write double and close the bracket and put semicolon. So here you can see int, float, char, double, all of these are keywords and they are basic data types. All these words should be written in lowercase letters because keywords should be written in lowercase letters only. Not only we can find out the size of the basic data types, you can even find out the size of the object using the user defined data types as well, using the size of operator. Next we are going to use get ch function and curly closing brace. Now when we compile and run this program, so what we are going to get as output, here I'm going to write output. The first statement, what it is going to print, it is going to print integer takes, here %d size of int returns 2 bytes. Here I'm going to write 2 bytes. Just because of this /n, cursor comes down to the next line and it is going to print the next statement. Floating point takes %d bytes, that is size of float is 4. So it is going to print 4 bytes. Because of this /n, cursor come down to the next line and it is going to print the next printf statement, that is character takes %d bytes size of char. So it is going to take 1 byte. Okay, so just because of this /n, the cursor once again come down to the next line and it is going to print double takes %d size of double bytes. So it takes 8 bytes of memory location. So let us execute this program and check out whether it is going to give us the same result or not. For that I will take you to my laptop screen. Here you can see I have already written this program in Turbo C++ compiler. Now we are going to compile this program by pressing Alt F9. So it is showing success, means there is no syntax error. I'll press enter. Now it's time to execute this program by pressing Control F9. Here you can see it is showing integer takes 2 bytes, floating point takes 4 bytes, character takes 1 byte, double takes 8 bytes. I hope you understood. If so, please write down the comment as understood. Thank you.